This now, there he is.
Yeah, can barely see him. Step behind the full race. Oh, yeah, see?
Just thinking maybe it might be nice to stand out on that observation part over
Yeah.
there.
Oh, that's
That's number 3. So, yeah,
Need to wait for a little bit.
So you're talking about the camera that has the thing, view screen that hinges out from the body of it, right?
Time had by all?
Yeah, no, it was fun. Here's my picture.
Cool. B1 Lancer, nice.
Yep. Nice. That's my Corvette sitting in front of it.
Oh,
Yeah, that ain't just any old picture. That's my Corvette sitting in front of me.
It's a pair. It's a set.
That's up at the South Dakota Air Force Base.
Yep, Ellis.
Rapid City.
Oh, Ellsworth.
Up just out of Rapid City.
Yeah, Ellsworth. Yeah, that's where my brother was in the Air Force, and he was. Oh yeah.
So I'm like, but that's just crazy. There's all these 7.5 inch
Yeah,
poppies.
I remember that now that you say that. When we were out there, I think it's 17 we were out there. Great back.
So it is the front wheel stuff running first, obviously.
Yeah, it's on a tail dragger.
Yeah. Oh, see the shocks there? The struts?
You appreciate that inside.
This beautiful plane.
It is pretty neat. All I can think of is Indiana Jones.
Oh.
Oh, it's a Cessna. Cool. We'll get one. Didn't get one of those yet.
I took my military over into this, so I'm on the NCO course, so I don't have to. The only thing I can't do is the Mandarin. I mean, that's kind of why I don't have enough time for that. I'll sure help them accomplish what they need to accomplish.